Hi guys, so today I will be making stir fried vegetable with some chicken. If you want to see how I achieve this, please keep watching. It's not going to be long. Alright, let's go. Potatoes are so hard to cut. So hard. This is the worst part for me. They are so sweet to eat. So I'm just trying to cut it into two because this is really big. So the cutting can be a lot easier. So I just do this. So it comes out like really nice cubes. I'm going to fry this one, but this is going to be the last thing to do so it stays hot and really crunchy, just the way I like it. Put it back in the water, otherwise it's going to oxidize and look horrible brown until you're ready to fry. And the same thing applies to this one. So I'm trying to marinate this chicken breast. As you can see, I already got the shredded chicken just to make my life easier. So what I have in here is nut cubes, half teaspoon of salt, the ancestral pinch of curry and thyme. What that means is I didn't really measure the thyme and the curry. I just put the quantity I think is enough, which is the quantity that your ancestor will tell you stop, and that's it. So I'm just gonna put this on the, mix it up nicely and put it on the chicken. And I will be adding some garlic in there. Instead of blending, I rather grate it. I have 2 garlics in there. I'm going to be adding some ginger as well. I think that should be fine for ginger. Then you mix it nicely. You can mix this with a mixing spoon so you don't feel disgusted. I'd rather use my hand. Just a clean on this. I'm just going to leave this for 30 minutes. Cover it up and leave it for 30 minutes and then cut the rest of my other vegetables. So I'm going to add pepper before I finally leave it to marinate properly. I like hot spice a lot, so I don't know. Don't do this at home. So I'm not putting my hands. So it can be really spicy and nice. So yeah, you can leave this to rest now for 30 minutes. It's time to cut bell peppers. I like to make it in cubes, just to make it a lot easier for me as well because of the phone. Okay, so these are my recipes, or this is my recipe for stir fry vegetables or chicken, stir fry vegetables and chicken, or my chicken stir fry vegetable, whichever way. So I'm not a fan of soy sauce. I feel like soy sauce is, I don't know, I just feel it's overrated. So I just like it, I like to keep it really simple. So all I have here is my garlic and ginger already grated. I have my chopped onions, my knorr cubes and a bit of salt. I have my carrots in here, chopped carrots, my chopped bell peppers. I couldn't get a lot of bell peppers obviously because of the situation on ground and people were panic buying, so I missed out. And then I have some sausages. For some reason I like to have sausage in my stir fry vegetable because it gives it that very juicy crunchy thing. And I also have here my marinated chicken breast. I did this I left it for 30 minutes. And then I have my onions here for frying the chicken. I don't know, I like to have the onion in there for garnishing and then fry the chicken instead of marinating the onion in the chicken, if you get what I mean. So fry my chicken now. It smells so good. So good. Just leave it here and then turn it after a few minutes. Just leave it for a few minutes, and I like to add my sausage at this point. Just so sausage can get some of those juices. Fry as well. So it's almost ready, if not ready. Just for a few minutes and we are done. My sausages are so cute. Oh my god, just look at them. They are so cute. But they're not gonna stay this cute for a while or for long. I think my chicken is ready. Right? Well, I don't start looking for it. So I'm going to take this out now. It's time to fry the vegetables. Add some pepper so that somebody will not throw up. Add my carrot. The thing is, I like to have this thing a bit raw so I can get all the nutrients from my vegetable bowl with some spice around it. Basically. So I'll just let the carrot fry for a bit since that's the hard one. So yummy. So the carrot is ready now for the rest of the vegetables. So I'll add my peppers now. to have them raw usually. So I'm going to go in with my fried chicken and sausages now. See what I told you about my sausage. It has finished dying. It's already looking shrink, or it's already shrunken. So that's it. My chicken stir-fry vegetable is ready. So this is, I'm trying to get the water out of the potato so it doesn't splash all over the place when I'm frying. All I need to do now is just add some salt after it's dry, and then I fry. Very hot. I know that stir-fried vegetables is sweet, or it's a lot better with rice. But because I one of those people that if you eat a lot of rice, in the next 2 days people are going to be asking me what's going on with me. So I do less rice. That's why I'm having sweet potato, which is also really nice. I'll advise you. I'll recommend you try. You can boil it. You can also fry it, but what I've noticed with frying it is it's a lot more crunchy and it's sweet, and it's sweeter as to boiling. Boiling just makes it boring and soggy, so I'd rather fry it. So it's time to eat the fruit of my labor. Was it nice?
Nice.
What would you want to have with it?
Wine or juice?
I know it's juice. You're not a wine person.
Crunchy, potato. Like. Come on, guys. This is so nice. You guys should just subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and turn on the bell to keep watching her videos. She's the best cook in the world. Like, come on, you guys can't miss all these tutorials on how she cooks and makes her delicious dishes in this house. See, I'm still thin, but it doesn't mean I have a lot of strength because of the food she's been making.
Oh my goodness! You just heard that from my brother.
Very nice.
Okay, guys, that will be all. We can't keep watching Levi make us salivate. So that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. You should try it. It's really nice. It's really nice. I swear by stir-fry vegetables. Levi, nice. So I'm making a video and then you want to finish it.
Cool.